Alright my friends, so in the last video we have finished our HTML markup, and I think that now you have a pretty good understanding of HTML, at least the tags and how it's actually work. Essentially you have to add some tags, okay, in your page, and that way you can make a website, right? So at least you can add the content, the visible content that the user can see and interact with, right? So now it is only the missing part to complete the puzzle. It is the CSS. So in order for us to build a complete website, not a very complete website, but we are gonna make a pretty good website using HTML and CSS. So I'm gonna switch here to my slides so we can understand CSS better. So the first question that you will ask yourself, what is CSS? What is gonna do for us, and also how we are gonna use it. So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Okay, Cascading Style Sheet. Keep that one in mind. It is really a term. Now, what is the benefit of the CSS? Here it is. It is changing the HTML looking, or let's say changing the appearance of the HTML tags. Okay, so previously we have added this stuff, or at least showed you how you can implement at least these style or these tags. It is title, image, some h2 or h3, and some description, as well as these dots or these icons. This is really an HTML. With CSS we can transfer this to something like this. In fact, this is the HTML and this is the exact HTML, but we have added some style. Okay, so now this diagram gives you the understanding of what is the benefit of CSS. Essentially, it's going to make our markup prettier. We are gonna get a lot of different styles. Depending on you, you are gonna get different website. Okay, depending on the style that you are gonna add, then you will get different results. But now in this video we have understood that the benefit of CSS, it is to change the appearance of the HTML tags. But how is gonna do that? That's what we are gonna discuss in the next one. See you in that one.